First of all, the amendment to Mukhyamantri Sudarit Kamdenu scheme. I would like to bring to the kind attention of the House that last year I had raised the issue of our Dhangar amendment in the Kamdenu scheme for the benefit of our Dhangar community, because they couldn't avail of the benefit of the Kamdenu scheme because they didn't have land ownership. But during my recent conversation with Honorable Minister, I was happy to learn that the amendment to the Mukhyamantri Sudarit Kamdenu scheme will soon come into force. I've heard that it will be in force in the next 8 days or so, and which will allow now our Dhangar community all over Goa, and we have a lot of Dhangar community doing in dairy farming in Sattari Taluka. So this is going to benefit them a lot, because तांकां आतां जे तांचे जागो तांच्या नांवार नाशिल्लो आनी ताजे खातीर तांकां सबसिडी मेळना आशिल्ली गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान, ती आतां तांकां आतां सबसिडी मेळून ते फार्मिंगान आवर मिल्क प्रोडक्शन and dairy farming, they are going to the production is also going to increase and more people are going to get into dairy farming. So this is going to help them because tani amendment केल्या. So now because of the amendment, I think just one caste certificate and just one affidavit to the ownership of land is enough. That is what I have learned, and I would take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Minister की ताणी हाजेर अशें लक्ष घालून इतले ताबडतोब ही amendment केल्या ह्या स्किमान, and this is really going to help our Dhangar community all over Goa. And I would like to thank you, Honorable Minister, on behalf of the Dhangar community of Sattari Taluka, की तांच्या आतां ह्या अमेंडमेंटा खातीर तांकां जे इश्यूज आशिल्ले you have resolved it. I would like to speak on the upgradation of the Honda Veterinary Hospital. आमचे थंय veterinary hospital आसा Honda आमच्या पंचायतीन, पूण तें जें hospital आसा, it is would like to request you to convert it into a multi-speciality hospital complex with modern facilities like OPD, operation theatre, basic diagnostic facilities and laboratory facilities. हांगा हे सगळे facilities ना म्हणून आमचे जेन्ना हे सगळे doctors तांकां आमचे जे animals आसा तांकां either म्हापसा नाल्यार पणजे रेफर जाता, आनी हाज्या खातीर खूब त्रास जाता आमच्या लोकांक. सो मागता की इफ यू कूड कन्वर्ट दीस फॅसिलिटीज इंटू लिटल मल्टी स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल ऑफ होंडा, दॅट वूड बेनिफीट आवर लोकल्स अ लॉट. तांचे जे स्ट्रेंथ आसा थंय डॉक्टरी बी टायमली डॉक्टर नासता, तुमी तर एक एडिशनल तर थंय डॉक्टर घालो, सो ताजोय फायदो जातलो आमच्या होंडा वेटनरी हॉस्पिटलाक, कित्याक द स्टाफ इज लिटल लेस देर. एट द सेम टायम द ट्रिटमेंट ऑफ आमचे जे गायो बी आसता ते इट हॅपन्स एट द फार्म्स. सो आमचे जे डॉक्टर वता ते आमची टेरेन जी आसा ती सामकी खडबडीत आसा. इट इज लायक अ ऑल टेरेन व्हेकल इज नीडेड फॉर अ एरिया. सो because the doctors go with all the artificial insemination kits and medicines equipment, so तांचे कडेन जी सद्या जी ती टाटा विंगर आसा ती मातशी बदलून ते एक मातशी एक बोलेरो तर दिली न्ही, because it's you know a better vehicle for our terrain, so that will help the doctors a lot at the hospital. दुसरे support to dairy farmers, जे आमकां इन्सेंटीव आमच्या मिल्क प्रोड्युसरांक मेळटा, डेरी फार्मर्सांक एक 40% सबसिडी मेळटा, दुदाचेर 32.28% आनी कॅटल फिडाचेर 7.72%. सो हे लास्ट टायमी, आनी दीस इज दीज आर ऑन द प्रोसीड्स ऑफ मिल्क सप्लायड टू इदर गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटीव मिल्क युनियन और एनी अदर डेरी युनियन ऑथरायज्ड बाय द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. बट तांचो डिमांड आसा खूब वर्सां जाले की जी तांकां सबसिडी 40% मेळटा ती 60% इनक्रीज करून तांकां मेळची म्हणून, आनी ती मातशी टायमली मेळची म्हणून. कित्याक केन्ना केन्ना ते म्हणटा की थोडे देर इज अ लॅप्स आनी थोडे म्हयने तांकां टायमली सबसिडी मेळना आनी देर इज अ लॅप्स इन दॅट. तर ताजेर मातशें लक्ष दिवचें आनी तांकां तर टायमली तर ही सबसिडी मेळ्ळी, आनी ही तर तुमी तर वाडोवन तांकां सबसिडी मेळ्ळी. लायक माय कलीग डॉक्टर शेट्ये सेड, लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मोर people will get इंटू डेअरी फार्मिंग. आमच्या भागातले रुरल भागातले पसून तर तुमी अशी तांकां तर संदी दिली, इन्सेंटिव्स दिले जाल्यार आमचे खुबशे जे ऑलरेडी इंटू सत्तरी तालुका इज द लार्जस्ट प्रोड्युसर ऑफ मिल्क इन द होल ऑफ एंटायर गोवा. सो तुमी तर हे तर तांकां इन्सेंटिव्स दिले जाल्यार आमचे भागातले खुबशे लोक आनी डेअरी फार्मिंगान येतले. फक्त गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान तांकां हे सबसिडायज तर रेट्स टायमली तर इन्सेंटिव्स मेळ्ळे जाल्यार खुबशे आमचे लोक ह्या भागान येवपाक लागतले. सो आनी जे डेअरी फार्मर्स आसा ते दे प्रिफर सप्लायींग मिल्क टू सुरत डिस्ट्रिक्ट आमचे सुमूल more than Goa Dairy, because they say that Sumul does their payments in a digitized manner. आणि तांकां ते डिजिटायज तांचे आसा म्हणटकच तांकां ते टायमली पेमेंट जाता. आनी आमचे गोवा डेरीचे मातशे देर इज अ लॅप्स इन पेमेंट. सो मागता की तुमी तर गोवा डेरी बी डिजिटलायज केले जाल्यार टायमली डिस्पर्सल ऑफ मनी वील बी इन अ टायमली मॅनर. देर इज अ गोवा डेरीज कॅटल फीड प्लांट मारवाडो म्हणून आसा उसगांव, बट इट हॅज बीन क्लोज्ड लास्ट कपल ऑफ इयर्स. सो हो तर इफ योर डिपार्टमेंट कॅन टेक दीस ओवर, तो इट्स नॉट बंद केला हो 2 वर्सां जाले, पण इफ योर एनिमल हजबंड्री डिपार्टमेंट टेक्स दीस ओवर जाल्यार द सेंटर वील रन एफिशियंटली. आनी डेअरी फार्मरांक आमच्या सत्तरीच्या ते विल बी एबल टू परचेज द कॅटल फीड एट सबसिडायज रेट. सो हो जो बंद आसा इतले वर्सां, म्हाका दिसता 2 वर्सां जालीं उसगांवां तो कॅटल फीड प्लांट बंद आसा. सो मागता की तुमी बेगीनच्या बेगीन तो स्टार्ट करचो, सो तांकां प्रॉपर टायमली कॅटल फीड मेळपा लागतली आमच्या फार्मरांक. I would like to speak on demand number 66, fishery. ना पण ताजे पयलीं I would like to speak on this, the stray dog menace, which is in, I think it's all over Goa, पण आमकां सत्तरीनी लागता आनी all over Goa लागता. So, but as per directions of the Supreme Court of India in SLP number 691/2009, a state animal birth control implementation and monitoring committee for the state of Goa has been formed. So, in order to implement this dog control program effectively, you have to set up animal birth control centers, and it is important and mandatory that the local bodies, panchayats, are involved in this. But I think there's lack of awareness about this, and that because of this lack of awareness, the panchayats are not availing of this Goa Small Animal Rescue Management Scheme 2014. So, haje khatir tumi tar ye tar if you create this awareness programs आणि हे तर पंचायतीक तर तांकां कळ्ळें जाल्यार वी कॅन maybe have some build food and shelter homes for these stray dogs, where हे सगळे जे कितें मेडिकली बी करपाक लागतले आनी टेक केअर ऑफ देम, आनी हे जे रस्त्यार पळय जी कुत्री भोंवता ती भोंवपाक बंद जातली दिसता. Maybe we should look into that, request honorable minister to look into this scheme, which is there is no awareness in the panchayats, because according to this scheme the panchayat bodies have to take this up. But तुमी तर फुडाकार घेतलो जाल्यार म्हाका खात्री आसा की हे आमी करपाक शकता म्हणून. आनी जी कुत्री जी भोंवतात, स्ट्रे डॉग्स आमच्या रस्त्यार भोंवतात, ती भोंवपाची बंद जातली. I would like to speak on demand 66, that is fisheries. The Department of Fisheries had conducted a feasibility report setting up an aquarium in Keri, Sattari. खूब वर्सां जाली हाका, must be 10-12 years back. But and the process of land acquisition and preparation of a DPR सगळें जाल्लें, but ताजे मागीर there was no further progress. So this just last 1 minute. So I would like to highlight that the project of a wellness center, eco cottages, is coming up through GTDC tourism department in a area which is very close to this proposed site of the aquarium, and that work will start soon. So tumcho tar aquarium tumi tar DPR prepare karun, if I request you to revive that project, this is going to benefit amche area, especially amchi rural area a lot, because this is going to promote hinterland tourism in our area. So request honorable minister to please look into this and try to help us and try to help our rural area into this. Thank you, Speaker, sir.
I request the members to take as little lesser time. Honorable member